Hi everyone, welcome. Have you ever wished your VIZIO remote could do more? Maybe control other devices using custom commands? Today, we'll explore how to program custom IR commands on your VIZIO remote using HDMI CEC. This allows you to expand the functionality of your remote, making your entertainment experience smoother and more streamlined. We'll cover the basics of HDMI CEC, how it works, and then dive into the steps to program those custom commands. First, what is HDMI CEC? It stands for HDMI Consumer Electronics Control. It lets devices connected via HDMI communicate with each other. This means your VIZIO TV can control other HDMI CEC-enabled devices like your Blu-ray player or soundbar. Enabling HDMI CEC on your VIZIO TV is the first step. Go to your TV's settings menu. Find the System or Setup section. Look for HDMI CEC, sometimes labeled as CEC or InLink. Make sure this feature is turned on. Also, check the connected devices settings to see if HDMI CEC is activated too. Now let's program some custom commands. This part needs a little more preparation. You'll need a device that can send IR commands. A universal remote or a home automation hub often fills this role. The goal is to teach your VIZIO remote to mimic the IR commands sent by this device. To do this, some VIZIO TVs have a learning feature. Navigate through your TV's settings menu to find the remote control or accessories settings. Look for the option to program remote or learn IR code. If this option exists, select it. Your TV will guide you through the process. It will usually ask you to point your learning remote or hub towards the VIZIO remote. Then, press the button on the learning remote that sends the IR command you want to program. The VIZIO remote will then record and learn that specific IR code. You can then assign that learned code to a specific button on your VIZIO remote. Repeat this process for each custom command you want to program. Keep in mind, the success of this method depends on your VIZIO TV model. Not all VIZIO TVs support IR learning. Check your TV's manual for specific instructions. If your VIZIO TV doesn't support IR learning, using a universal remote or a home automation hub connected via HDMI CEC offers an alternative. You can program the hub to send specific CEC commands that trigger desired actions on other devices. The VIZIO remote, through HDMI CEC, can then control the hub, effectively controlling other devices. Another important thing to consider is compatibility. Ensure the devices you want to control are HDMI CEC compatible. Not all devices fully support all CEC commands. Experimentation might be required to find which commands work best for your setup. So, by understanding HDMI CEC and exploring your VIZIO TV settings, you can potentially expand the functionality of your remote and simplify your home entertainment setup. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried this method successfully.